Hello everyone, welcome to OMA'S World. Today I'll show you how to make rich, creamy and delicious homemade yogurt. Let's get started. These are all you need to make smooth and creamy yogurt at home. Pour the milk into a saucepan and heat it gently while stirring occasionally. Heat until it's hot but not boiling. Allow the milk to cool until it's warm to the touch, around 43 to 45 degrees Celsius. If the milk is too hot, it can mix the plain yogurt with a little warm milk until smooth, then stir it into the rest of the milk. Mix gently until well combined. Cover the mixture and keep it in a warm place for 6 to 8 hours or overnight. During this time, the healthy bacteria will... Once the yogurt has thickened, refrigerate it for at least 2 hours before serving. Chilling improves both the texture and flavor. Your homemade yogurt is ready. Enjoy it plain or top it with fresh fruits, honey, granola, or your favorite nuts for a healthy and delicious snack. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to OMA'S World, and turn on the notification bell so you never